Let's look at one problem based on Vandermonde matrix. So this matrix we have. So idea is this. So first we will convert this matrix into Vandermonde form. Then we will apply properties of Vandermonde equation. Okay. See, there are a few extra term like this 7, 7, 7, and in multiplication I have 9 here. Similarly, on the first column I have 6. This 6 extra, 2x, 2y, and 2z extra. Our idea is to eliminate this extra variables. Okay, so how we will eliminate this 6? Of course I have to use the last column to eliminate this 666. Also I can eliminate this 777 by using first column. Okay, what operations I have to perform? So in order to remove this 666, what operation I have to perform? C1 minus 6 times C3. Okay, in order to eliminate this 7, I have to perform operation in second column. What is the operation? C2 minus 7 times C3. After performing the operation, okay, so this is the determinant, okay, not a matrix, so this is determinant. So after performing the operation, so see, determinant is not going to change by column operation. We just have seen the properties. Determinant do not alter by row transformation or column transformation. So these are the transformation. So determinant is not going to alter at all. Okay, so what happens after this operation? 6 minus 6 plus 2x plus 7x square minus 6 into 1 will be 2x plus 7x square. Okay, this is going to be eliminate. 2y 7y square, similarly 2z 7z square. So we are performing operation in first and second, so that is column is going to be same. Next, in second column, 9x plus 7 minus 7 times 1. So 9x plus 7 minus 7 will 7 is going to cancel, so we will left with 9x, here 9y and 9z. So see, we have eliminated this constant from first and second column. Now we have to remove this 2x, 2y and 2z from first column. But before that, let's take this 9 common throughout. So if I take 9 common from second column, so we'll left with xyz in second row, and this row is going to be as it is. Okay, I can use second column to eliminate this 2x, 2y, 2z in first column. So how we will do that? C1. Okay, so we are going to perform operation in first column. So C1 minus twice C2. Okay, what will happen after this operation? 2x plus 7 square minus 2 into x, so 2x is going to cancel. Similarly 2y, as we have taken 9 common out of second column, so we will left with x, y, z in second column. So now idea is this: we have to remove this 2x, 2y, 2z from first column. For that I have performing C1 minus 2 times C2. So what will happen if I perform this operation? 2x minus 2x, this will cancel, so we will left with 7x square, 7y square, 7z square. Okay, in second column we will have xyz, and in third column, now see, we have 7 factor in the first column. We can remove that factor, so it will become 9 into 7 and x square, y square, z square. In middle column we will have xyz, and in last column I have 1 1 1. Okay, now see, Vandermonde format, we have seen matrices of 1 x square, but see, here 1 is in third column where x square is in first. So what we'll do, we have to interchange first and the third column. For that, sign is going to be changed for determinant. We have seen when we interchange two rows or two columns, determinant sign will change. So what will happen if I interchange first and third column? So my sign going to be changed. So minus 9 into 7. So first column will be 1 1 1, second middle column will be as it is, and third column is going to be x square, y square, z square. But this is what? This is nothing but Vandermonde matrix. And how to find out determinant of Vandermonde matrix? Px for this will be z minus x, z minus y, and next y minus x. Okay, so this is how we find determinant. There is one homework for you. You try to find out determinant of this matrix. Next 1 plus y square you try to find out determinant of this matrix. You comment your answer in comment box, so I will verify if it is correct or not. Okay, so you do this.